If you want to know how well your body will hold up over the next 20 years, stop staring at the bathroom scale. Stop obsessing over your cholesterol number. There's a single biological marker that predicts how fast you age, how stubborn your belly fat becomes, and how well your body bounces back from damage. And almost no doctor is checking it. It's your stem cell activity. And the wildest part? There's one specific drink backed by published human research that can double the stem cells flowing through your bloodstream and quietly start dissolving the fat your body has been clinging to for years. Most people hear stem cells and immediately picture some elite anti-aging clinic in Switzerland charging $20,000 per injection. That's the marketing. That's not the science. The truth is far more interesting. Your bone marrow is already storing hundreds of thousands of stem cells right now. And the only reason they're not working harder for you is because nobody told you how to wake them up. I've spent years digging through the research on regenerative biology, metabolism, and what actually moves the needle on aging. Not the marketing, but the published, peer-reviewed evidence. And the more I studied it, the harder it became to ignore one uncomfortable fact. The foods and drinks already sitting on grocery store shelves are doing things that the supplement industry charges hundreds of dollars to fake. Today, I'm going to show you the single most powerful one. In this video, you'll learn the exact drink that's been shown in human studies to dramatically increase circulating stem cells, how the same drink quietly activates your body's hidden fat-burning system, the 3 biological pathways that make it work, explained in plain English, the precise daily protocol, including dose and timing, and the 3 mistakes most people make that completely cancel out the benefits. Stay until the end because I'm saving the most important piece, the one that determines whether this actually works for you, for the final minutes. Quick thing before we dive in. A lot of viewers tell me they've been watching for months without ever realizing they never tap subscribe. If that's you, take 2 seconds right now. It costs nothing, and it genuinely helps more people find content rooted in real research instead of internet noise. All right, let's get into it. The drink is hot cacao, but not the powder packets from the supermarket aisle loaded with sugar and processed milk solids. I'm talking about a properly prepared cup made with unsweetened cacao powder or high-flavanol dark chocolate at 80% cacao content or higher. That percentage matters more than almost anyone realizes. Here's why this matters. When researchers at the University of California in San Francisco gave this exact preparation to men in their 60s, men whose arteries were already showing signs of disease, the results were stunning. Their stem cell counts climbed. Their blood vessels regained flexibility they hadn't had in decades. And subsequent research has shown that the same compounds that mobilize those stem cells also flip a metabolic switch that turns your body into a more efficient fat-burning machine. This isn't folk wisdom. This isn't a TikTok trend. This is published clinical evidence. To understand why this works, picture your bone marrow like a quiet airport hangar full of grounded planes. When you were young, those planes were flying constantly, out repairing tissue, patching up blood vessels, replacing worn-out cells. As you aged, fewer and fewer of them took off. They're still there, they're fueled, they're maintained, but nothing is telling them it's time to fly. That's what aging actually looks like at the cellular level. It isn't that your repair team disappeared. It's that the signals telling them to deploy got weaker and weaker over time. Sugar dulls those signals. Heavy alcohol use dulls them. Chronic stress, poor sleep, processed food. Every one of them quiets your body's call to action. What high-flavanol cacao does is the opposite. It sends a chemical signal so strong, so unmistakable, that those grounded planes start lifting off in waves. They flood into your bloodstream. They patrol for damage. They find the worn spots, your blood vessels, your joints, your organ linings, and they start rebuilding. And here's the part nobody talks about. The same compounds that trigger this also reach a tissue most people don't even know they have: brown fat. Yes, you have 2 kinds of fat in your body, the kind that sits there and the kind that burns, and cacao flavanols wake up the burning kind. Pathway 1, stem cell mobilization. The active compounds in high cacao chocolate are called procyanidins, a family of polyphenols that your gut breaks down and your bloodstream carries directly to your bone marrow. Once they arrive, they bind to specific receptors on stem cells and essentially flip a switch labeled "Deploy Now." Within hours of consumption, measurable changes start showing up in the bloodstream. Within 30 days of consistent intake, the difference is dramatic and easy to detect using a lab technique called flow cytometry, a method that physically counts cells one by one as they pass through a laser beam. Pathway 2, brown fat activation, where the MELTS fat part comes in. This is the pathway almost no one mentions, and it's the most exciting one for anyone struggling with stubborn weight. Around your collarbone, along your upper back, and around your major organs, you have small deposits of brown adipose tissue. Unlike regular fat, brown fat doesn't store energy, it burns it. It's like having a small internal furnace whose entire job is to turn calories into heat. The problem is that in most modern adults, this furnace barely operates. We keep our homes climate controlled, we don't move enough, and our diets fail to trigger the signals brown fat needs to switch on. Cacao flavanols change that. Research has shown they upregulate the proteins inside brown fat cells that are responsible for thermogenesis, the actual heat-producing process. The more active your brown fat, the more calories your body quietly burns at rest, 24 hours a day. This is what MELTS fat actually means at a biological level. It isn't water loss, it isn't a metabolism trick. It's a measurable shift in how your body handles its energy budget. Pathway 3, gut, inflammation, metabolism axis. Here's the third layer, and it ties everything together. The same polyphenols that activate stem cells and brown fat also feed the bacteria living in your gut. And those bacteria, when they're the right ones, produce small molecules called short-chain fatty acids that calm down chronic inflammation throughout your body. Why does this matter for fat loss? Because chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the main reasons stubborn fat refuses to leave. Inflamed fat cells become insulin resistant. They lock the door against your body's fat-burning signals. Reduce the inflammation, and that door opens again. Cacao, especially when combined with the other supporting drinks I'll mention in a moment, is one of the most efficient ways to flip that switch. Let me give you the actual studies, not vague claims. Study 1. At the University of California, San Francisco, researchers studied men in their 60s with documented coronary artery disease. After 30 days of consuming roughly 2 cups daily of a high-flavanol cacao preparation, their circulating stem cells had nearly doubled. Their vascular function, measured using a technique called flow-mediated dilation, improved to levels typically seen in much younger adults. Study 2. A team in Spain followed older adults on a traditional Mediterranean dietary pattern, one heavy in olive oil, polyphenol-rich vegetables, tea, and dark chocolate. Compared to those eating a Western pattern, the Mediterranean group showed up to 5 times more circulating stem cells. Not 5%, 5 times. Study 3. Multiple investigations across China, Britain, and Japan have shown that both green and black tea, long thought to be very different from each other, can roughly double stem cell counts in circulation. The fermentation process that creates black tea doesn't destroy the benefits the way scientists previously assumed. The polyphenols simply transform into different but equally active compounds. Study 4. Research on brown fat has shown that consistent intake of cacao flavanols increases the expression of a protein called UCP1, the gatekeeper of thermogenesis. More UCP1 means more calorie burn at rest. Combined with the stem cell effects, you're getting cellular repair and metabolic acceleration from the same drink. This isn't theoretical. This is measurable, repeatable, peer-reviewed human science. Here's exactly how to do this. Write this down or come back to this section. The core drink, hot cacao. Use 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cacao powder or melt 30 grams of dark chocolate that's at least 80% cacao. Mix into hot water or unsweetened plant milk, never dairy milk, and I'll explain why in a second. Optional, a small drizzle of raw honey or a dash of cinnamon for flavor. Drink 1 cup in the morning and 1 in the early afternoon. 2 cups daily is the dose used in the human studies. The supporting player, tea. Brew 2 cups of green or black tea per day, no dairy. Steep for at least 3 minutes to extract the polyphenols fully. This stacks on top of the cacao for compounding effect. The amplifier, pomegranate. Add roughly a half cup of pomegranate seeds or 4 ounces of pure unsweetened pomegranate juice 3 to 4 times a week. This feeds the specific gut bacteria that tie the whole system together. Critical rule, no dairy in tea or cacao. The fats in cow's milk physically wrap around the polyphenol molecules and block your body from absorbing them. You can reduce the benefit by as much as 80% just by adding regular milk. Use almond, oat, or soy if you need creaminess. Plant fats don't cause this problem. After spending serious time with this research, here's what most people miss. Tip 1, timing. Your body does its cellular repair work overnight while you sleep. Front-load your cacao to the morning and early afternoon, so the polyphenols are in your system during the overnight repair window. Tip 2, fasted window. Drinking a morning cacao on an empty stomach maximizes absorption. Wait 20 to 30 minutes before eating breakfast if you can. Tip 3, stack movement. Even a 10-minute walk after your cacao multiplies the brown fat activation effect. Movement plus polyphenols creates a synergy neither one produces alone. Tip 4, look for real cacao. On the chocolate label, the ingredient list should start with cacao or cocoa mass, not sugar. If sugar is the first ingredient, you're drinking dessert, not medicine. There are 3 mistakes that completely cancel the benefits, and almost everyone makes at least one of them. Mistake 1, inconsistency. Drinking cacao for 4 days, then skipping for 2 weeks, then coming back, does almost nothing. Stem cell mobilization is cumulative. Your body needs steady signaling over at least 30 days to register real biological change. Daily, that's the rule. Mistake 2, choosing sweet hot chocolate mixes. The packets at the grocery store contain a tiny amount of cocoa and a massive amount of sugar. The sugar actively blunts the stem cell response. You'd literally be reversing the benefit while thinking you're helping yourself. Mistake 3, expecting overnight results. You will not look in the mirror tomorrow and see a transformation. What you'll notice first, usually within 2 to 3 weeks, is better energy, deeper sleep, faster recovery from workouts, and clearer thinking. The visible changes follow the internal ones. Aging is not a one-way street. The people who stay sharp, strong, and lean into their 70s and 80s are not winning a genetic lottery. They're not doing anything you can't do. They are quietly, consistently giving their bodies the signals their cells were designed to respond to. The repair team is already inside you. The fat-burning furnace is already inside you. The healing system is already inside you. Nothing has to be installed. It just has to be activated. Here's everything in one place. Stem cell activity is a stronger predictor of long-term health than weight or cholesterol. High-flavanol cacao, at 80% or higher, is the single most studied food drink for activating stem cells in humans. It works through 3 pathways: stem cell mobilization, brown fat activation, and gut-driven inflammation control. 2 cups daily, supported by tea and pomegranate, is the protocol used in human research. Skip the dairy, skip the sugar packets, and stay consistent for at least 30 days. Your body's repair and fat-burning systems aren't broken. They've just been waiting for the right signal. If this gave you something useful, do me one favor. Share it with the person in your life who keeps saying their metabolism is broken or that they've tried everything. This information is too good to keep to yourself. And if you want to go deeper, my next breakdown covers the surprising drink that resets your gut bacteria in 72 hours. make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. I'll see you in the next one.